Tracy, welcome back. Well, this month, October, I have been asked to be the guest designer for Cheeky Studios, and I wanted to show you what Tuesday sent to me. I am working with Sweet Succulants. This is the cut-apart tags that she sent. Beautiful pastel colors, these succulents. Well, we'll go more into those later. These little cut-apart circles, easy to punch out. So many to choose from. And then some labels. I love it that some of them are just solid, some have a little succulent on it, and then the ones, of course, with the words. And then in this as well, I got some little bows. These are a little bit larger than some that I've received from her before, but I know that they will go beautiful on the pages I have in mind. And then also I got the Sweet Succulent labels and bouquets. And let me show you. There are so many round elements, square elements, and look at all these the succulent, I don't think they're called leaves, but look how beautiful the pastel colors. See the circle elements here? They are so beautiful. You can turn them any which way. Easy to tuck behind a photo or make a an embellishment area. Look at that. There's groupings of these succulents together. Look how beautiful. Look how large they are. This is so beautiful to put like up in a corner. Man, oh man. And then there's all these groupings here of the succulents. And then the other ephemera pack, there are individual. So here are the groupings of all the succulents in the beautiful pastel colors. And I think that you guys have seen these before from some of the other ladies that are designers for Cheeky Studios, but I didn't have this, but now I do. Oh, and I made a kit. I made a little kit, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to put with this here at the end of this video. But I wanted to show you, look at all of the pieces here. They just keep coming and coming. So when I first opened this up, I was separating them out by color. You could do it by design. I mean, there is just so many beautiful colors, easy to tuck. Look at this. It just goes on and on and on. And they just go perfect with each other. All these different beautiful colors. I mean, my goodness. It's like they multiplied in that little package there. And I like having lots of these to tuck in. That looks like an aloe vera, huh? Alright, look at this. Look at, I don't even know what these succulents are called, but I think that they're so pretty. Yeah, this is the kind of plants that I like because I have a brown thumb. I can kill a plant. My friend gave me a plant. She goes, oh, there's just no way that you can kill this one. Yeah, I had to tell her. I said, not to prove you wrong, but I'm telling you, I just can't, you know, keep them alive. So I think because I don't water them, I don't think about it. Anyway, so look how beautiful. And the different sizes. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Alright, so I'm going to leave this here because I want to show you what I am going to, what I put together as a kit. Now, I know that I'll be showing at least 2 pages that I have completed for the month of October, but I will continue to use this kit even thereafter. So I got this, this I pulled from my stash, but I want to say I got this from, oh, Freckle Fawn. I think that's what that's from. I just went through my stash and I just pulled out some colors that I thought would just be perfect. Look at that, just beautiful, and pretty sure that's Freckle Fawn. But you know what, I don't remember. This one is from Echo Park. Some of these I don't remember. I want to say that's a Heidi swap. So I think all of these will go well together with this collection. Now I like this one because it's a little bit darker. Look at that. I think it matches very well. This not so much, but this one for sure. I love this paper. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then there's this one. And there is this one. And this one. So those are all the papers I pulled. At least the 12 by 12. I do have a few scraps. I'll kind of show you real quick what I pulled. Some of these are, I've used this recently. I know that this is Freckle Fawn. This is Freckle Fawn. These are just solids that I had in my stash as a 6 by 6. Yep, so there's that. I pulled this from Freckle Fawn. This is the chipboard phrase stickers. Maybe not the darker ones, but I think this pink and this peach, I don't know, we'll see. I will give it a try. And then I wanted to get this out. I still have several of these large words, so I wanted to use that with this kit. I thought that the doilies were appropriate, so I got a heart one and a square one. And then I got these out. Now this was from Heidi Swap in the Mink collection that you should be able to foil where the black is. And I tried some of the other, I tried the chipboard ones and they didn't work. So I didn't want to waste them. I could use them here, just having it black and not, you know, using the foil paper. So I thought I would just put all this together, and I have pulled out some photos as well. So this is what I'm going to use as my collection to go along with the Cheeky Studio ephemera pack. Alright, so make sure you check back. I know I'll be back on the 15th, and I think at the end of the month as well, with my first page using this. So I will see you then. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.